Are you an aspiring teacher dreaming of shaping young minds? The Teacher Eligibility Test, TET 2026, is your crucial step towards a rewarding career in education. This guide will empower you to confidently navigate your journey. TET 2026 is a mandatory qualification for teaching positions in government and private schools. It validates your eligibility to teach, opening doors to countless opportunities. This exam is your gateway to a fulfilling profession. Understanding the eligibility for Paper 1, Classes 1 through 5, and Paper 2, Classes 6 through 8 is vital. Check specific educational qualifications and age limits carefully. Ensure you meet all requirements to confidently apply. The TET 2026 application process is typically online and straightforward. Follow the step-by-step guide on the official website, ensuring all details are accurate. A smooth application sets the stage for your preparation. Familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, including sections, marks distribution, and duration for both papers. Dive deep into the syllabus to understand every topic. This knowledge is your strategic advantage. Success comes with smart preparation. Utilize the best study materials, practice previous year papers, and maintain a consistent study routine. Believe in yourself. Your dedication will lead to success. Keep track of key dates, application release, admit card availability, exam date, and result announcements. Staying informed ensures you never miss a crucial deadline. Plan your preparation around these milestones. Ready to embark on your teaching career? Subscribe to our channel for continuous updates and expert guidance. Check the description below for direct links to official notifications and essential resources. Your future students are waiting.